This looks pretty dense.
Yeah, we got a lot of brush to mow down. We had a nice quarter-mile track down the road. My feet cramped up, but we made it. Jake was crawling behind me.
I should have just walked. I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
you
I
should've.
should have just walked.
But yeah, gonna start brush hogging. That's all we got to do here. So yeah, get after it. Alright, I'm back up here on this clearing job the next day. I talked to the owner last night, and originally we were going to leave these trees, but they're all dead, wrapped up in vines. So I'm going to take the chainsaw, cut down what I have to cut down. And then I'm going to go down the road, grab the tractor, grab the bucket. I'll tell you what, I love being in the middle of nowhere, so you can do shit like this and no one cares. Good time.
Away she goes. I hope it makes it down the road. So if not, I'm gonna have to push them with the tractor. But yeah, it's only like quarter mile. Wow, that thing is pissed off. Yeah, it's snowing again. What do you think?
I think it's cold.
Yeah, me too. It's snowing again for the 5th time today, but we're done. Pretty happy how the job came out, so gotta track that quarter mile down the road. Pat's got the tractor, and I think, yeah, 1.5 acres. Yeah, went quick, kind of kicked my ass. I'm tired of vines and all that, but so many, endless. But we're done, so on to the next job. Alright, we are out of here.